beauties, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take one last confirmed look at the Boxycharm limited edition skincare box. Today it went on sale for the annual subscribers. I wasn't that lucky. I don't have any annual subscriptions. It's just too expensive, so I have to wait and try to get it tomorrow. It looks like when they say it's time, you just go and click on it and hopefully you get it. So I thought maybe they would send an email or something like that, but it looks like you'll just have to click on their site and try to get it. So I don't know what our chances are of getting it, but I want to go through each item shortly, and there is one variation product. It'll be the very last product, and show you just exactly what's going to be in the box. So anyone who's not familiar with Boxycharm, in order to get this box, you have to be subscribed to Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You'll receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. This will be based on your beauty quiz, and the box will be valued at least $100. Once you become a charmer, you are eligible to get Boxylux. Boxylux is a quarterly subscription box that'll cost you $49.99. You'll get 8 to 10 full-size beauty products, and these will all be based on your beauty quiz, and the value of this box will be $250. These Boxylux boxes are so worth it. They have been the prize of beauty boxes. If you like makeup, skincare, it is just the best box on the market in my view. So, and once you're a charmer, you may be offered these limited edition boxes like this one I'm talking about. It's the skincare limited edition box. So let's see what's in that box this time. Now this box will cost you $49.99. and it has these products in it. Our first product is by Elemis. It's the Superfood Night Cream, and it's got value of $55. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle of it, and this night cream is an omega-rich night cream with super grain complex and an active prebiotic. Feeds dry and depleted skin, super boosting it with intense nutrition. Product number 2 is from Glam Glow, and it's the Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment Serum for $65. You'll get 1 ounce. This is a universal serum that uses Glam Glow 6 Acid Blend and charcoal to instantly plump fine lines, fight dullness, and exfoliate dry surface cells. This product is for normal, combination, and oily skin types. The third product is by Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Sheet Mask, and you'll get 2 of these, which is a $16 value. A jelly sheet mask that's the perfect quick fix to dry, tired skin. Now this can be used on any skin type. It's for dryness, uneven skin tone, dullness, and uneven texture. Now it does not mention sensitive skin, so be careful if you have sensitive skin. Next, by Farzali, we have the Jelly Beam Illuminator / Highlighter for $40. This is a jelly highlighter that applies like a gel and sets like a powder for a high shine finish, concentrated pigmentation, and a customized glow. Being a jelly, it glides and moves like a jelly, but it applies easily onto the skin, starting off with a wet, cool feel. Because it's 100% oil-free, it quickly dries down to a powder finish. The formula is concentrated, and a little goes a long way. Your fifth product will be from Kopari. It's the Coconut Cleansing Oil, which sells for $32 for 5.1 ounces. This product is for all skin types, including sensitive. It's a vegan coconut oil-based cleansing oil that removes makeup and leaves your skin silky soft without clogging your pores. This will be the solution for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Product number 6 is from Cosmetics, and it is a jade roller valued at $32. This jade facial roller is an incredible tool for inner and outer beauty. Facial rolling is a relaxing and de-stressing. It's been a beauty ritual since ancient times in China, dating all the way back to the 7th century. Physically, it helps to firm the look of skin through gentle massage. It also aids in supporting the lymphatic system, the body's main major detoxification system. Metaphysically, jade brings peace and harmony and is known to help reduce stress. Your 7th product is from Saturday Skin. It's the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. You gotta love that name. It sells for $28 for a 2.53 ounce tube. This product is for all skin types, including sensitive. It's a refining peel gel that gently and visibly removes impurities and dullness with natural enzymes like papaya and bromelain. It's a solution for dullness and uneven texture, uneven skin tone, and loss of firmness and elasticity. And your final 8th product will be one of these 2 items. The first variation is from Caudalie. It's the grape water, and it's for $10, which is the 2.5 ounce. This is for all skin types, including sensitive, and it's a signature 100% organic formula that's suitable for even the most sensitive skin and extracted directly from grapes in Bordeaux, with the dual power to both increase hydration and reduce sensitivity. This will be your solution for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and redness. Your second variation for product number 8 is from the brand Kors. It's the Greek yogurt cleansing and makeup removing wipes. You'll get 20 wipes for $15. This is a pre-moistened facial cleansing wipe formulated with nourishing Greek yogurt to soften the skin. These makeup removing wipes remove stubborn face and eye makeup and are great for travel. So there'll be 2 different box variations. The first box you'll get the Caudalie grape water, and the second box, instead of that, you'll get the Kors makeup wipes. So that's the 2 differences. And that's our limited edition skincare box. It will be on sale tomorrow. It will be $49.99. So be prepared if you want to purchase this. I want to remind everybody about the giveaway this month. It'll end on April 30th. It's the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette as well as the Blood Sugar palette. If you have no clue how to get into this, watch the video I'll link up above. It will give you all the instructions on what you need to do to be in my monthly giveaway. We have giveaways every month on my channel. We will have a big one soon for 10,000 subscribers, and we only need less than 1,000 to get there. So you want to be here for that. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And please make sure that you share this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And please give me a like if you liked my video. I would truly appreciate it. And until I see you next time,